Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to turn off LED lights on TP-Link RE305. So first, open your Tether app and then go to More, LED, and right here we have LED and we can just disable it, or we can enable night mode right here. LED will be off during the night mode is in effect. So here we can change from and to what hour. So for example 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. and just save, and the LED will disable during the night. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.